Uh, Today we are going to do notice writing. So take out your copy, write today's date and classwork, huh? And start writing this notice writing notes, whatever I have given here in your copy. First of all, what is notice writing? Start writing in your copy. Write the heading notice writing. So what is notice writing? Notice writing is a written or printed information on news announcement. Okay. Notices are either displayed at prominent places or published in newspapers or magazines. It is meant only for a select group. Since a notice contains a formal announcement or information, its tone and style is and formal and factual. Its language should be simple and formal. Notice is always brief and to the point. Okay. Now please start writing in your copy this notice writing. I hope all of you are writing in your copy. Write down, please. Start writing speedily. I hope all of you are writing. Notice writing. Now I'm moving ahead. Notice writing. Notice is a written or printed information on news announcement. Notices are either displayed at prominent places or published in newspapers or magazines. It is meant only for a select group. Since a notice contains a formal announcement or information, its tone and style is formal and factual. Its language should be simple and formal. Notice is always brief and to the point. I hope who have lately joined, they must be writing down the heading, but I have removed the heading. I want to go ahead. If you have finished the top part, then I can go down also, but it is okay. It is still here because I put the notice in a box. It is still there. Write down everyone, write down, write down, write down everyone, write down in your copy fast. I hope all of you have written down. Whoever has finished it, they may make a photo and make PDF and send to me to my WhatsApp for checking. Important tips to be followed while writing a notice. Adhere to the specified word limit of 50 words. Write the word notice at the top. Name and place of the school, organization, or office issuing the notice should be mentioned. Give an appropriate heading. Write the date of issuing the notice. Then clearly mention the target group, that is for whom the notice is to be displayed. Purpose of the notice. Then mention all the relevant details, date, venue, and time. Then signature, name, and designation of the person issuing the notice. Now put the notice in a box. Wait, let me give it in a bullet. Write down your notice. I've read out for you. You please write down. Only 6 minutes left.